Owning a pool is a delightful luxury, but over time, it's not uncommon to encounter issues like calcium buildup on the pool tiles. This white, chalky deposit can be unsightly and difficult to remove. However, with the right preventive measures and products, you can keep your pool tiles free from calcium buildup, ensuring a pristine and inviting swimming environment. In this video, we will explore 3 top ways to prevent calcium buildup on pool tiles, along with recommended products that can aid in the prevention process, helping you maintain a sparkling pool year-round. Links to these products and others can be found in the description below. 1. Regular water balance and pH maintenance. Maintaining proper water balance and pH levels is crucial in preventing calcium deposits on pool tiles. To aid in this process, consider using the following products. Test Kit. A reliable water testing kit, such as the Taylor Technologies Complete Test Kit or the Lamont Color Q Pro 7 Digital Pool Water Test Kit, can help you accurately measure the water's pH, alkalinity, and calcium hardness levels. pH increaser and decreaser. Products like pH increasers, such as sodium carbonate or soda ash, and pH decreasers, such as muriatic acid or sodium bisulfate, can help you adjust the pH levels within the recommended range of 7.4 to 7.6. Alkalinity increaser. An alkalinity increaser, such as sodium bicarbonate, can help stabilize the pool's alkalinity levels within the ideal range of 80 to 120 parts per million ppm. 2. Regular brushing and maintenance. Regular brushing of pool tiles is an effective preventive measure against calcium buildup. To enhance the cleaning process, you can consider using the following products. Nylon bristle brush. A nylon bristle brush or a brush specifically designed for pool tiles, like the Poolmaster 20183 ABS curved pool brush or the Milliard pool brush, can help you safely and effectively remove debris and potential calcium deposits from the tiles without scratching the surface. Tile cleaner. Consider using a tile cleaner or mild acidic solution formulated for pool tile cleaning. Some popular options include the BioGuard off-the-wall surface cleaner, the Jax Magic the Step Stuff tile cleaner, or the Natural Chemistry scale-free pool tile cleaner. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper usage. 3. Proper water treatment and filtration. To enhance water treatment and filtration processes, you may find the following products beneficial. Pool clarifier. A quality pool clarifier, such as the SeaClear Natural Clarifier or the Poolmate Clear Blue Clarifier, can help improve water clarity and aid in the removal of calcium particles before they settle on the tiles. Water softening system. If you have hard water, consider installing a water softening system like the ScaleWatcher Nano Electronic Descaler or the Aquasana Whole House Water Softener. These systems can help reduce the calcium content in the pool water, minimizing the likelihood of calcium buildup. Preventing calcium buildup on pool tiles requires consistent maintenance, proper care, and the use of effective products. By maintaining the correct water balance and pH levels, regularly brushing the tiles with a suitable brush and cleaner, and ensuring efficient water treatment and filtration with the help of clarifiers and water softening systems, you can effectively minimize the occurrence of calcium deposits. By incorporating these top 3 preventive measures and utilizing the recommended products, you'll be able to enjoy a pristine pool with clean and sparkling tiles, enhancing the overall beauty and longevity of your swimming pool.